Hey folks, Nick Cousvis is here. Hey folks, Nick Cousvis here. Thank you so much for watching Quest for an 8-pound bass, smallmouth bass. Hey folks, thank you so much. This is okay. Get that hat right on. Perfect. Hey folks, this is Nick Cousvis here. Thank you so much for watching Quest for an 8-pound smallmouth. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty. Couple episodes left. This one was kind of tough, but we had all kinds of issues. You know, high wind, water was splashing onto the cameras, causing all kinds of problems. I got some photographs, but the video was a little bit tough. Although we did get some on tape and a couple of big ones. So I thought, what the hell? I'm going to make a show out of it. It's going to be short, but like I said, we got this one and then one left. Is that 8-pounder going to be caught? I don't know. You're just going to have to wait and see. And, please share, like, subscribe, all that stuff. If you have any questions, shoot them out to me, Angler. So here it is, Quest for an 8-pounder. Let's see if it happens.